Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 19th of September. And first of all, national news. Festival of Joy. President Murmu's greetings on eve of Ganesh Chaturthi. Nearly 12,000 shifted, Narmada flowing above danger mark in Gujarat. Nipah situation under control in Kerala, Health Minister said. IIT Bombay graduate set new record with 3.7 crore international job offers. And now some international news. Google techie 22 lost to rupees 67 lakh to crypto scam. He had planned to retire at 35. Attempts to ban Nawaz Sharif from politics failed, his daughter said. And over 10% of Japanese people are now aged 80 or above. Government. Australian man served with pet python around his neck, fined $1,500. Pak Prime Minister told Afghanistan to work towards common goals, a report said. Extremely absurd. China on German minister calling Xi Jinping dictator. Joe Biden has imposed new sanctions on Iran's intelligence ministry. And now some sports news. Asian Games 2023 Indian football team will be in action from September 19th. Pakistan are expected to name their final World Cup squad later this week. Joe Root added to England squad for first ODI against Ireland at his own request. Business related news. Net direct tax collection grew 23.5% to 8.65 lakh crores so far. Indian economy gaining strength amid weakening global prospects. RBI. Air India and Air Asia India commenced interline booking for flyers. Rajasthan hit record low share of fossil fuel generation for 4 consecutive months in 2023. And that's all in news. Thank you.